to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ben, my brother. What's your name and where are you from?
Thomas Mashabela from Tembisa.
Yeah.
I'm a Coast Nation supporter.
Yes, sir.
Very disappointed.
Okay.
So about our goalkeeper.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we know that he's a human being, can commit a mistake like that one.
Yes, sir.
It's not the first time.
Second time.
Maybe fourth time.
Okay.
So what can I say? I'm heartbroken.
Yes, sir.
So and then I can say congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
You guys, you deserve to win. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, whoa, Tamalak. I just have a question because we're complaining like a Peterson. You say it's not the first time. What's the solution to fix this Peterson problem?
You know, I think the solution is that they have to place him on the bench. Try to new goalkeeper. We have a Vuma. We have a Itumelum.
Yes, sir.
And if you look, we always consider a goal the first minute or the last minute.
What's going on?
So we lack so-called concentration.
Yes, sir.
That is a problem. That is a problem.
Okay, my brother, who is the man of the match?
I can say Frosler.
Yeah,
on our side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Frosler was okay.
That guy is a player. That guy knows the football.
Yeah. Do you want to say anything else?
No, nothing.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, man.